gonna make them into 3D. First of all, we need 3 things, which is information, character creation, and jump. Hey, this video is not sponsored. If you like this video, will be highly appreciated. Time to gather information about him.
Game over.
After collecting all of the information, we'll be making him into a 3D character. After creating the character, we proceed to the world. So we need to gather information of Jaiden. I think she likes purple. Now we need is her character. On that video, it has a short clip of this pen transition. It's so cool, but how do I make it? From a pen into a sword. Introducing driver. No, not that driver, but this driver. Driver are able to link both value. Not only that, look at our healthy customer product. So how do you do it? Right click on the property, copy as new driver, click onto another object, right click, paste driver, and have fun with it. So where were we? Oh yeah, off the next character.
My head in my hands, listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I've that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. I've that's on you.